channel. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day, and I'm so happy that you are here with me today. Today we are finally gonna do some Halloween decorating. I am like so much later to the stuff this year. Usually my whole house is decorated for Halloween right now and stuff, but this has been a hectic year and nothing is on time this year. But today we are going to be decorating my porch for fall/Halloween, and I am so excited to take you guys along with me. This is my very first time decorating this porch in this house, so I'm super excited to take you guys along with me. I love the way it turned out and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's get right into it. Alright, so here is a little before of the porch before we start doing anything. Needs lots of work in the future, but for now we are just going to go ahead and do a quick little cleaning. I'm just getting all the cobwebs down and I'm going to blow off the porch, you know, just simple little things instead of getting all into it, especially with winter coming. There is no point in like trying to pressure wash anything because it is all just going to get dirty all over again. So I'm just doing a basic little cleaning before I start getting into the decorating. I had this outdoor rug from the old house, so I went ahead and brought that up to the porch, and I'm actually gonna switch around sides up here. So the table was on the left hand side, which is a little bit more narrow. I'm gonna move it to the right hand side, which is more wider. That way when we are sitting down eating on the porch, there's just more room, because we do tend to do that often. It's always just so nice to have this large porch and be able to sit out here. So I'm just going to go ahead and wipe down the table. This is the table that my mom already had on the porch prior to us moving in, and I'm just going to keep it on here for now. Same goes with the table, or with the chairs that are with the table. They don't match or anything, but they were already up here and we don't have anything else. So for now we are just using this, and then I'm going to go to the opposite side and clean over on that side as well. If you've been following for a while, then maybe you remember this bench. It was always on the back porch of the old house. I got it from Target a couple years ago. However, they did have it this past year as well. And then we are going to finally start getting into decorating. So I saw this spider the other day at Target, and as soon as I saw it, I was like, you're coming home with me. I just knew it would be perfect above this bench. It was a pain in the butt, honestly, to hang, because the legs kept falling and everything, but once it gets up there, it looks super cute and the boys love it. So my mom had this fireplace stored away, so I brought this up to the porch as well. I figured that would be like a nice cozy little feature when sitting on the porch. And then I'm just taking this blanket that I've had for years, this Target dollar spot pillow that I've had for years, and a little skeleton, and decorating up this side of the porch a little bit. To add a little bit more to the side, because the other side ends up being pretty filled compared to over here, I added this old it's actually really cool. It's like a ladder that also turns into a chair. So I have it on the ladder portion right now and just use that to put a few little decor options on. And then moving back over to the other side, I am gonna layer this Amazon table runner and then just put on some, what's this stuff called, like spooky cloth or something like that over it to give it that, you know, spooky look. And then I put a mum and a cauldron for the centerpiece. Making your house look a little bit spooky for Halloween can be done on seriously such a budget. You don't need to spend a bunch of money to easily make things look spooky. So with that being said, we're going to do a quick little DIY. We're going to make some little ghosts. I'm just taking tomato cages and I flipped them upside down so that the pointy part is up top. And then I'm taking a 6-inch styrofoam ball and just putting that on to the stakes. And then I'm gonna grab some Christmas lights and wrap it around so that way they light up at night. Oh, these came out so cute, you guys, and I made 2 of them for like $20 altogether, so it was super affordable. And then I grabbed the sheet from Walmart. It's not actually a sheet, it's like fabric. I don't know. It was in the like craft section. But I just went ahead and draped this right over, and surprisingly I haven't had any troubles with it flying off or anything. I do wish it was a little bit longer because you can see it's like a little short on the edges, but the way it like drapes over, it worked out perfectly, and these were super inexpensive. And then I'm gonna take some I don't know why when I do voiceovers I literally blank on every word I need. What is this stuff called? Craft felt. When I tell you guys, I literally just had to stop this voiceover to go figure out what that was called. I just folded it in 3 and cut out 3 little circles and used some fabric spray-on glue to put those on there. I'm going to show you guys these closer up in a little bit, but I did add little witch hats to them, and then I am layering my doormat that I got from Joann's, and oh, look how cute they look. They look so cute, and they're so inexpensive, and such just like something like that's like such a statement piece. It just jazzes it up so much. And then of course I can't forget, you know, gotta add little bats every year. So these are just the Target Dollar Spa batch from last year. And then moving down to the stairs, I am just gonna add some corn stalks. I always just tie this around with some twine to make it stay. I did 2 on both sides. And then the stairs are a little bit more on the fall level than the spooky level, but I'm putting some mums in these apple baskets, and then I do put the very top one in cauldrons because I had 2 cauldrons left over. And then I lost a clip where I added lanterns, so you guys will see in the overview, which let me just warn you, for the overview I waited a couple weeks before I filmed the overview because I'm behind on life as always, and my mums are now dying. So real life, nothing's gonna look as vibrant as it does on this first day here. But you know, it's working, it's going, so So here are those ghosts lit up at night. They're seriously just such a cute statement piece that like really just, if I didn't have those here, I feel like it would just not look so put together for Halloween. And then here is the overview of the porch. Like I said, it's not looking as nice here a few weeks later as it did, you know, the first few days, but it still looks cute. We are liking it. It looks so much more open up here compared to what it was before. And yeah, we love hanging out here. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to decorate the front porch. I hope you guys got some ideas and inspiration, and if you watched to the very end, leave the little ghost emoji down below. I appreciate you guys so much, and I just want to give you a little extra love and appreciation if you did watch to the end. Thank you guys so much for watching regardless, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!